Eating too much protein will damage your kidneys, is what people say. But is this true? Let's find out. Two major risk factors to kidney malfunction are high blood pressure and diabetes. Research shows no direct evidence that high protein diets can cause damage to your kidneys. Other research even found that consuming 3.4 grams of protein per kilo of body weight is completely fine for some individuals. But how much protein should you be eating? Good question. Studies suggest a daily intake of 1 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilo of body weight. Now, if you're obese and have a higher body fat percentage, it's recommended that you start with 1 gram per centimeter of height. We use the same methods and measurements to create results just like this. Follow for more tips. Message me involved on Instagram if you have any questions.